What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. To do so, you have to open Spotify on the browser on your computer or your phone. You cannot do this on the app itself. So here I have Spotify homepage opened on my browser, my Chrome browser on my phone, and I'm signed into my account. First, you need to hit the personal photo icon here at the top right corner next to the three lines. If I choose it, it'll open the account page or the account overview page. If I scroll down a bit, I'll see here the plans. Here it says I'm in the premium individual plan. And if I want to change it or cancel it, I'll choose here, I'll tap on change plan. And if I scroll down to the very bottom, I'll see the option to Spotify free. That means I can cancel my premium subscription. And here it says, the option says cancel premium. If I choose it, it'll just tell me that I'll change to the free plan after like this date. That's my renewal date. And I can scroll down. I can get back to the account if I change my mind, or I can continue to cancel my subscription.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.